Hello, my friends. Today I want to show you something special from my childhood. It's an Trabant 601 model. It's from Welly, as you can see, 1.36 scale. We have four models here. Police and firefighters, I think. Yeah, let's open it. So, as you can see, it came in this plastic. Yeah, and this is it. I'm quite impressed. This car is from Eastern Germany. It was made in 1963, I think. 63, 65. I don't know exactly. And look at it. It has opening doors with doors covers, plastic covers. Yeah, with a lot of details. Door handlings, door handles, um, windows, buttons, mirror windows. Oh, only on the driver's side I have mirrors, door handles, rubber tires. Yeah, I have the engine here. Yeah, the trunk, one exhaust pipe underneath. On the back we have painted brake lights, but in front we have daylights from plastic, which is a good thing. We have this big grill. Yeah, this car remembers me from the communist era. Yeah, and it's very nice and well done made. The paint is very nice and very good. We have also wipers on the windshield. Yeah, so it's quite nice to have in your collection. The front bumper is very nice, old style. The back bumper also. Yeah, we have a button here on the trunk to open it. A lot of old things. So, if you like it, don't forget like, share and subscribe. And please let me know if you have these cars or cars from that era in your collection. So, until next time, I wish you all the best. Bye.